All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the view menu. So let's head over to Photoshop. I'm already in here. I'm going to create new. And let's do Photoshop default size. Hit OK, and let's click on view and look at the menu and what they have. So proof setup, you can do working CMYK. This is for setting up print stuff, proof colors, gamut warning, pixel aspect ratio. So square, you can do a different aspect ratio, and well, pixel aspect ratio. Square is good. Pixel aspect ratio correction, 32-bit preview options. Those are deactivated right now, but we can zoom in, zoom out, fit on screen, fit artboard on screen. We don't have one, so that's no good. We can do 100%, 200%, or you can do this, which I prefer. Hit the letter Z, hold Alt, zoom out, let go, zoom in. And then use the space bar, hold the space bar, and you can grab the hand tool and move around. So you can zoom out and then use the hand tool to move it around. Does the same exact thing. Print size. Okay. That I don't know the shortcut for, so use that. There's no shortcut. Flip horizontal. I'm going to undo that. They have screen mode. Okay, let's see what that is. Oh, full screen mode with menu bar, full screen mode. So with this, if you just hit the letter F, that's going to change the modes. I think. Normally it does. Hit tab for me. There you go. Now if you hit F, there you go. So those are the three modes. And if I hit tab, the tools will come back. And what we did is we changed the screen mode. We had standard, full screen mode with menu bar, full screen mode. So if you know the shortcuts and you just want to have a black background with nothing but what you're working on, that's the way to do it. Now if I hit F, that's the standard. And then full screen mode with menu bar right there. And then full screen. Okay? And hit tab, and then everything's back again. Show layer edges. These are just options you can show. The ruler is right there. If we hit Control R, it'll turn on and off. So we'll hit Control R to keep it on. Snap to, guides, grids, layers. You can turn on this on and off. Lock guides, new guide. Okay. You can do it that way, or you can just do this. Drag it down. There's your guide. Right there, and bring it there. Okay, then you have your guides right there. New guide layout. Okay, you can use that too. That's perfectly fine. Lock slice, clear slice. So slicing is more for web stuff. I don't even know where the tool is on here because they've changed it so much. I'm going to have to hunt for it to see what it is or where it is. Basically what the slice tool does is it will crop a web design. There it is. So what you would do is you'd slice this and then you would export it out, and it would. So if I did a slice like this, let's just say I sliced this one right here. And then I did this one. And then I did this one. And I exported these three out as PNGs. It's going to be 1, 2, 3. So this will be PNG 1, PNG 2, PNG 3. And the idea behind it is when you're building a website, you want to render content, but you want to do it where the files are as small as possible. So what you can do, I'm going to hit Control Z to undo this. What you can do though is when you export it out as slices, this would be image 1, image 2, image 3, and they're all going to be smaller files because they're separated instead of together. That's the idea behind the slice. So that is the view menu. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.